What's good, YouTube? This is Anthony Lyons again, back with another video. This is part 2 of the dope-ass golf cart install, soon to be dope-ass golf cart install. If you haven't checked part 1, please go back, click like and subscribe. Check out part 1. Part 2 is going to be all about the speakers and the radio going in. Gonna make some pods here for the left and right. These are 6.5-inch speakers by Rockford Fosgate. They're gonna light up, and then I've got to make a new mount there for the radio and some switches and whatnot. So again, please click like and subscribe. Stay tuned for all this and more with the dope ass golf cart. Stay tuned. And we are done with the speaker pod install. As you can see, the speaker pods are molded, as you can see from the pictures, that they are molded to the golf cart, fiberglass, custom molded, wrapped in vinyl. The black acrylic baffle matches the black high gloss rims. Pretty cool. We got the black acrylic as well for trim out the radio. The radio changes colors, multicolor display, along with the speakers, they will change colors as well. It's the Rockford Fosgate module that allows you to change it by way of Bluetooth on your phone. Pretty cool. Customer will be able to change it to whatever he likes. Please click like and subscribe. This is part 2. Part 3 will be the subwoofer install, along with 2 other speakers in the back, custom grill, all the goodies back there. That's part 3. And then part 4 will be on to all the accessories. We'll put a switch for the whole entire system here in this corner, along with underglow lighting, LED bar up front, armrest, trailer hitch, all kinds of stuff. So please click like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more on the coolest, dopest golf cart by AL Designs. Me, Anthony Lyons. Stay tuned.